Hi, this is a lesson on how to do Unit 10, Lesson 5 homework. So if you're a little stuck, it says graph and label the ordered pairs. Now these are the ordered pairs here. 0, 1, 10, 1, 5, 6 on the coordinate plane. When it talks about a coordinate plane, this is what we're talking about here. I don't know if you can tell, but this was the x-axis. That's why it has an x there. This is the y-axis. That's why it has a y there. And when you see the ordered pair there, really the first number, you graph it on the y-axis, I'm sorry, the x-axis, and the second number you graph it on the y-axis. That means the first number you go across, and the second number you go up. So what does that mean? That means that at 0, 1, they want you to put an A there. So let's look at the graph. Again, we're going across. 0, and then the second number is 1, that means you go up, is right here. So the y, the A would go here. The next one is 10, 1. So again, the first number is x, so you go across on the x. There's 10. And then you go up 1, which is right here. And that's B. C is at 5, 6. So you go, again, on the x-axis, you go 5. And then you go up 6. 6 is up over here. So it's going to be right there. And that's where my C goes. Now let's read the directions. It says, connect the points. So I need to connect the points. I'm going to go A, B, C. I'm going to go in alphabetical order. So use something that's straight. It's going to make a straight line, as straight as you can, unless you're really good at freehanding. And A to B, and then B to C. Okay, draw a little straight line there. And then you just finish it up and you do C back to the beginning again, because C is my last letter. All right. So then the next question says, identify the geometric shape. Well, what shape is this? Okay, it's a triangle, right? Now, specifically, can you tell what type of triangle that looks like? Well, it's at least isosceles, because at least these two sides look the same. I'm not so sure this is the same, because if it is, it'll be equilateral. So I think it's at least isosceles. I don't have my ruler here to measure. Well, let me see this. From here to here. Okay. From here to there, yeah. And then from there, no. These two sides are the same. This is a longer length, so this one we would call it an isosceles triangle. Yeah, I spelled that wrong. I knew I did. And then give its number of vertices. Vertices is just a fancy name for a corner where two points meet, where two lines meet. So that's one vertex. There's another vertex and another vertex. So this one has 3 vertices. So it's an isosceles triangle with 3 vertices. So let's see. Did I graph and label the ordered pairs? Yes. Did I connect the points? Yes. Did I identify the geometric shape? Yes. Did I give its number of vertices? Yes. Done. Let's go to number 2. Okay, so let's see, same thing. So D goes on 2, 2. Now, do you notice this one doesn't have any numbers on it? Well, you know this is always 0, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And same thing going up on the y-axis. Okay, so D goes on 2, 2. So if I recall correctly, remember the first number is the x, the second number is the y. So x is on this axis right here, going across. Go over 2, then you go up 2, and that's where the D goes. E is at 7, 2, so go across to 7, then you go up 2. There's my E. F is at 7, 7, go to 7, go up 7. That's my F. And finally, G is at 2, 7, so go over 2, then up 7. And that is my G. Next, I connect the points again. Well, although looking at it, I can probably guess what this shape's going to be, but connect the points anyway, because that's what it says to do. Always read the directions if you're not sure. Okay, connect all your points. Okay, we're trying to make a shape here. There we go. Oh, okay. Identify the geometric shape. That is a cube. right? Because all the sides are the same. And how many vertices does it have? Remember, vertices means corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cube, and it has 4 vertices. Okay? Pretty simple. Remember, the big trick on this one is to remember you always, the first number goes across, the second number tells you how many to go up. Okay, we'll do one last one. Wow, this one has a lot of points we have to graph on there, right? And remember, you go in ABC order when you're graphing it. So A is at 3, 1. Ooh, no numbers again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see. A is at 3, 1. So go across 3, up 1, and that's A. B is at 5, 1. So go across 5, up 1. That is B. C is at 7, 3. So go across 7, up 3, right there. That's C. D is at 7, 5, which is right about there, and that's D. E is at 5, 7. So go across 5, up 7. F is at 3, 7. Go to 3, go up to 7. Did I put 5, 7 on the wrong spot, guys? I think I did. Why didn't you guys say something, right? So let me, sorry about that. E is right over there. Sorry about that. G is at 1, 5. 1 and then up to 5. And that's G. And then H is at 1, 3. Go across 1 and then up 3. Now you just play connect the dots, right? So go ahead and connect the dots. A to B. B to C. C to D. I can't quite see that one. Let me do it on this side. D to E. E to F. F to G. G to, what was that last one? Oh, H. And then H back to A. All right, so connect the dots. What shape is that? Well, how many sides does it have? Let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Like an octopus has 8 legs, arms. We call that an octagon. And how many corners does it have? Well, an octagon has 8 sides, so that means it has 8 vertices. Okay, well, hopefully that helps a little bit. If you have any questions, please make sure you let me know. All right, guys, take care. Good luck.